Hey everyone, this is Wes again with Superior Boat Repair and Sales here in Rancho Cordova. I'm bringing you today our newest addition, the 2020 Supreme ZS 232. We got a couple new features on this boat we're going to go over real quick. Follow me through and enjoy the ride. This beautiful boat has a gorgeous white and stone gray color scheme with a two-tone trailer to match. You can see the fenders are the stone gray with the white inserts in the rims. Brings everything together really nice. This year in 2020 we've got a new tower. Gives it a really sharp look. Bimini still on its way. And check out the big wide bow design with that gator step. And the classic ZS shear line with that rub rail, pop out cleats, swivel board racks. You gotta love it. Here on the stern, you can see the quick surf tabs, the stinger plate specifically designed to shape the waves and wakes behind this big boat. We got some nice rear boarding steps. As we hop in, you can take notice how wide and roomy this boat is. In 2020, I said we had a couple new features. One huge one is the new dash. We've got touchscreen, zero off, user profiles, easier ballast operations. You can see how friendly that dash is. We got analog gauges to the right, stereo controls to the left with the cell phone holder, flip up bolster, big 12-inch wet sound subwoofer. You can see that gator step deck kit throughout. Makes it really comfy inside here. Plenty of room for everyone. As we move forward, we've got the removable wind dam and the big wide open bow with bow filler cushion. With all three hatches open, you can see we've got a ton of storage above the motor and on each side of it. The design Supreme has here gives you room to store boards, life jackets, ropes, whatever you need across the whole top of the motor. Let's make our way up to the helm here and show you this new dash. Here we've got nice, easy touch screen, zero off controls. Here we've got your quick surf. Turn that on. Decide if you're surfing goofy or regular. Next, we've got your ballast options. 4,600 pounds of ballast in this boat. Fill all, drain all, or you can fill individually. Super easy. Next option down. We don't have, but it's the maps. And like I said before, my favorite option of them all is the user profiles. Makes it really easy. If you're goofy, you want to surf right, click that, activate. It's already got everything set up for you. You're going to be a happy camper. As well as you can add profiles, customize it however you like. And then we've got our settings. Very easy. Very fun. All the information you could ever need. Huge addition to this 2020 ZS232. Well, that's all I'm going to show you today on this 2020 Supreme ZS232. If you'd like to see more, learn more, have any questions, please give us a call, 916-638-3382, or come on down to Superior Boat Repair and Sales. We'll be happy to show it to you. You guys all have a great day.